We have a blue present today. Look inside. We'll find some clues. I can see the first clue. There's some fish and an octopus. Look, some shells. Can you guess where we're going today? Come on, let's go play. There's lots of sand here and seagulls. We can make sandcastles. And swash our feet in the mud. We can make footprints in the sand. Have you guessed where we are? That's right, we're at the beach. Let's play a game. Close your eyes. We're gonna hide Peppa Pig and try and find her. Dig, dig, dig. Where is she? There she is! We found her! Let's do it again. Close your eyes. Ready? Do you need a clue? Oh, look here. There she is, you found her. It's fun to play with the diggers in the sand. These diggers are getting covered in sand. What are we gonna do? Get some water with this green bucket. That's a good idea. We can wash them. It's fun to make sandcastles. And squash them. Oh dear. Oh no! Look at the big waves coming in now. This looks like fun to play in. Let's jump in it. Splish, splash, splosh. Look at all the water washing down the sand. It's so much fun to play at the beach. Do you like the beach? We love the beach. Min Min Playtime. We've got loads more presents to open. Lots of fun to have. Hit subscribe and let's go play. Min Min Playtime.